How to create a new Airtable base. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new Airtable base. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable into your browser and then sign in to your Airtable account. Now at the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find this create button. So press on this create button to create a new base or workspace on Airtable. Now once you click on this will pop on your screen. So you can create from scratch or you can create with Omni. Omni is the AI used on Airtable. So I'll simply build mine with Omni. So in here, you just need to create a command of what you want to create, what type of base do you want to create on Airtable, and then go ahead and click on this build button. You can also upload your spreadsheet before you create your command to be able to tailor fit the base of your Airtable based on the file that you have on your Excel spreadsheet. So as you can see, Airtable Omni AI immediately created the base that I want to have for my workspace. So this is how it basically looks like. You can also ask Airtable to not include the sample description for each of the columns on your base to be able to make it more clean. So we'll need to wait for a few minutes before Omni AI of Airtable accomplish the entire base that we have requested from it. So once it is done, you'll be able to find a publish button at the top right of this specific template that Airtable has created for you from the command that you have provided. So go ahead and click on that publish button and then make sure to publish all of the interface that you want to be included on your base. So this is how it will look like. So the interfaces are basically the dashboards that Omni AI has created for your workspace base, and that is how you can basically create a new Airtable base. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.